Hi friends, alright, so let's go to Pier 1 Import and see what they have for Christmas. I really love the way they set up everything in there, and I love their table settings. Alright, so when I walked in, I saw this. Love this whole setup. Those trees are really cute, those bottle brush. That wreath was nice. Let's see what else. Love those plates, those snowflake. The detail around those plates are just too gorgeous. Love those green napkins. I'm thinking of buying them. And I love those chargers underneath, the galvanized. I just love this whole color scheme. And those underneath are place mats, which are gorgeous. And those are salt and pepper shakers, little bells. I'm just loving this, everything. I just love everything on this table. I looked at the napkins again because I want to buy them. Love those bells, those napkin ring bells. Too cute. They have them in red too. Love that placemat too. It's like little twigs, white ones, whitewashed. Love everything on this table too. So I love this wreath. It's a little pricey, but I've been looking every year at that wreath. I just love it. All right, I love this pattern. It's so pretty, and they have the plates, the candles. So pretty. I just love it. Love that present. Cute tree. Very like a lot of wood here. And they even have the glasses. Cute Merry Christmas pillow. Present again, which is really pretty. Let's see what's on this side. Alright, it's a cute Santa. I love these dishes. So pretty. They come in black too, black stripes. Those are cute little candle holders. Of course, they have buffalo check napkins, white and red, and these are really nice serving dishes. That says good bites. And this one is, I guess, for pie or to make cinnamons buns, I guess. All right, these plates go with the plate up there, which I think looks so pretty. I'm trying to show you how it looks. And then they have the black one, which you can mix and match the black with the red, I think. But there's the black dish. Just love that. Okay, more serving platters. That one is, I should give you a closer look. That's like a cookie swap. Like cookie exchange. I think that's so nice. You just make cookies. I just think that's like such a nice idea, especially for Christmas. That's a cute apron. Fa la 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 la. I like that. How cute are these dishes? Those little, they're too cute for me. I just can't take it. I really want to buy those. And then they have like dishes. That's a cute reindeer. Because I love the buffalo check and then the sweater. Anyway, these are the salad plates to that big dish. They're just so adorable if you see them in real life. Okay, I love this chair and that pillow. I just want to take it home. And it's a very good material. I just felt it. Love it. All right, I'm looking at those bottle tree again because they're too cute, and I love these dishes too. They're really pretty. I'm really loving the green. Okay, these are mugs stacked up, but they, you know, they just, every mug has a different like picture, and then it just makes that whole scene. It's really cute. I just love that. All right, so let's see how they set this table. Loving everything on this table, you know, and I love that charger. It's really pretty in real life. So you see how they mix and match the red with the black and then the buffalo check. I'm loving that. I love the table settings. Some horse like plates. Okay, this is so cute. This is a sled server, which I love. You can put the dip and the chips down there, and that's a napkin ring, which is really cute. And I like those napkins too, of course. And that is like a little reindeer Rudolph napkin ring. See the napkin ring right there? That was cute. And then we have some llamas. I love these to put them on your stools or on the back of your chair. You can even put it up on your chair. I love that whole look. I actually would love to buy those for all my chairs. Alright, so more stuff. This is, I guess, like a little candle holder to camper. Cardinals. That's a cream and sugar. That's a teapot. Cardinals. Some deer. Mugs. Alright, these coasters are really cute. They're like felt, they're red, and then white ones. Really adorable. Okay, I adore this table. It's very traditional. I think this is my favorite. Okay, love this table setting. Love the napkin ring, the plates. How cute. And then the placemat. I'm just in love with that whole, I just want that whole setup. Gorgeous. And then that's Christmas cookie plate, which is really cute. And then another napkin and a napkin ring, which is adorable. There's Santa. Love these cloches with the Christmas tree and the red little truck. That plate is very cute. Love those napkins. I love the font on it. Okay, and this is another server. You can just put anything you want in there. Those napkins were cute too. And this is a cheese platter or just a cutting board. Okay, this table is too cute. It's like with the doggies. I love that little doggy cookie jar. So cute. Look how pretty the plates are. And in real life and in person, they look so cute. How cute is this setting? I just love it. I love the napkins. I love the napkin rings. Okay, and this is a little more glitz and glam, which I think is very pretty. And it's just like eye candy for me. So, love the plates. I love that blue. That's how the plates look. It's like a reindeer. So, yeah, this was really fun too. I don't really decorate in this, but I love to look. It's so pleasing to my eye. Some trees and some houses. Those trees are so sparkly in real life. Okay, I love this galvanized boot. A little pricey. Yeah, but it's really pretty in real life. Okay, how cute are these Merry coasters? I would even put those on top of each plate, my plate setting. All right, I want to show you this because I really love this setting. Okay, so here's the ornaments. I'm going to show you, give you a closer look. I'm loving that one. That is so pretty. The bells are pretty too. Those are so sparkly. They have a lot of sparkly ornaments. This is more like a rustic, woodland. Those are really cute, those mittens. I might buy those. Sweater is cute. Wooden stars. Mrs. Claus and Santa Claus. Those are cute. You can even put those on your elves, I think. Okay, more sparkly. A lot of plaid reindeers, which I'm loving that. That is so adorable. I love those ornaments. I'm thinking of buying them. Maybe. I know it comes in red and green. Maybe. Alright, so those are cute. They clip onto your tree. I think they're adorable. They have them in buffalo check, the white one and the red one. Those are cute bows they go on the tree. You know, that would be a nice look if you're going with that look. I like those little tiny wreaths. You can even put them on your tree, or you could just put them really anywhere. All right, these are so pretty. I would love to get those for my daughter, those pink ones, because that's her, you know, theme this year. Very sparkly and very pretty. That one's very unique. I think that is so unique too. They're very different though. Alright, they have a lot of garland. I'm not going to go through that, but okay. So they have some napkins and paper plates, which I thought were really, really cute. Yeah, I didn't really show you, but they had some few different ones. Anyway, I love these. I would love to put this in my kids' room, and I like to put these in my powder room for the guests. They're really cute. Alright, so this is all glitz and glam, but it caught my eye. It's like eye candy for me, so I'm going to show you guys all the shiny, beautiful stuff on this table. Those were posters. Look how pretty. I just love them. Look at that. For a nice bar. They would look nice in your bar cart. And these are like serving utensils. Okay, so let's go check what's on this table. That's a cookie jar, present cookie jar, which I think is really cute. This table's fun. And those are like wine stoppers, bottle stoppers. So they have a whole bunch of those. Okay, these are like bottle or wine bottle sweaters, which are so adorable. That one too. You can put them on actually any kind of bottle, really. More stoppers. That's a cute runner. Cute coasters. The little bells around them. Some wine glasses. Look at that. That one's so shiny. That's a Santa's outfit for the wine. Really cute stuff. I love that apron. Some more wine glasses. They had a wide selection of those. If you're interested in wine glasses. Okay, and I want to show you these. These string lights are so unique. They have so many different styles. You could put them in your mason jars and big jars. That's my favorite one. So very unique. You know, you just put it in a jar and right away you have like a whole look. So I'm loving these. They caught my eye. Those are really cute too. And I like these Christmas lights and just put them in a big jar. Okay, and these are spheres. I just love to decorate with these. They had a few different variety. So I love looking at them. Okay, and these like the little bobbly heads, more like glittery, you know, decor. So yeah, more bobbly, Santa bobbly heads. I love this store because they have a lot of unique things, and I like the way they display the stuff, and it's just so fun for me. Okay, this is really cute. That goes behind your chair. That's like a Mrs. Claus, and that is a Santa one. Very cute. That's what I'm talking about. They have like unique things, so it's like really fun. I always like, what am I gonna find? Some candles. And then they have some like wall art. That's like actually a painting. That's a wood piece. So yeah, I thought they were pretty unique. These are more like little paintings on canvases. That's a wood piece. And I like this big Merry Christmas sign. Alright, we're going to look at some wooden soldiers because they're really cute. I love their wooden soldiers. So they remind me of the Nutcracker. They have very unique nutcrackers right here. And I love those champagne glasses. So yeah, their faces are like so perfect. Detail on these. I just love them. That's a big one. Look how cute the bear and that little lady with the serving platter. Okay, these are a little smaller, but they're cute too. All right, let's look at some wreaths. I'm looking for like a wreath, but I want like red flowers in it. I don't know. I like setters too, but I'm looking more like for like a flower. I don't know. I was kind of like gonna go with some red flowers this year. I'm not sure, but these are really pretty. I like the fruit ones too. The wreaths are a little expensive, but they're very good quality. They have a lot of poinsettias wreaths. Okay, this is more like woodland, white. It's really pretty, this little setup. How cute is this deer? What a cute face. I love that Santa too. He's all in white. These are so shiny in real life. The camera's not even doing that justice. Alright, I think this is like a sale. Like, this is the sale area. I think this stuff from like last year. 50% off. And then some Christmas picks from last year. Alright, let's look at the mugs. Cute mugs. That one's my favorite. Baby, it's cold outside with the little buffalo check. So yeah, they have some cute mugs. I love them. Their mug sweaters. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a beautiful holiday season. I will see you in my next video. I have a lot of videos coming up. Alright, bye!